Hey guys, this is Brian, aka Texas Treasures, bringing another Bolo Buzz daily what sold video. I'm a reseller. I buy things at garage sales, thrift stores, storage unit auctions, and I sell them for a profit online and sometimes in person on local apps. And I make these videos to help you find items that you can sell for a profit yourself when you're outsourcing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, the red subscribe button down below. You can also hit the bell to be notified when new videos are released. And when you're watching the video today, stick around to the very end because I sort these from the lowest priced item to the highest priced item. So if you stick around to the end, you'll see the most profitable items you can sell. All right, let's get straight into it. All right, first up, we have a Disney Mickey Mouse cap. The Mickey Mouse ears are in the 4th of July. Well, the U.S. flag. This would be perfect for the 4th of July. I remember I picked this up for $1 at a garage sale, and I sold it for $17 on Poshmark. After they take their fees, it left me a profit of $12.60. All right, next, moving up in price. Here we have an eBay sale. A pair of Keene Casey women's black oiled leather anti-slip closed back clog shoes. Keene is a very good brand. These sell well for both men and women. And these sold well with the shipping. It sold for $41.44, leaving me a profit of $22.66. I don't remember. I either got these at a garage sale or a thrift store. So always be on the lookout for Keene. All right. Speaking of Keene, there we go, back to back. Next, we have another pair of Keene. These are men's. Last one were women's. These are men's. Waterproof insulated shoes. These are designed for the winter. These are kind of a unique pair of Keenes. And notice, by the way, using the white background really helps to sell these type of shoes. So make sure you're using a white background when you're listing. Sold these for $50 on Poshmark, leaving me a profit of $29.10. All right, you can see we got a lot of shoes that sold yesterday. Here we have another eBay sale. These are women's Loa Renegade GTX mid-height hiking boots. And they give you the style number right there, size 6.5. Hiking boots do really well, men and women's, and they sold for $58.44 with shipping included, leaving a profit of $33.53, which brings us to our next and our last item that sold yesterday. In the comment section below, comment, what do you think it is? Is it a pair of shoes, a piece of electronics? Comment below. All right, let's see if you were right. Okay. Now, this is a first for me. I did actually list these on Grailed. Obviously, we have a pair of Lucchesi 1883 Cowboys black leather boots, size 9.5. Grailed, I listed these on Grailed. I've heard good things about it on your more expensive items. And this is my first item to actually sell on Grailed. These cowboy boots sold for $80. That did include the shipping price. But even with that included, and I ship using Pirate Ship, which tends to give you the best rates possible, it left a profit of $52.45, and that was my sell of the day. These pair of Lucchesi cowboy boots. Always be on the lookout for cowboy boots. Lucchesi is a very good brand. So if you see them, if you can get them at a decent price, do your research, but they can make you some good money. So let's get to our recap. So here were our daily sales from yesterday. $246.88. 5 items sold, leaving an average sale price of $49.38. Profit was $150.34. Average profit per item, $30.07. And a profit margin of 61%. So once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. That really helps out my channel. And comment below, what's your best recent sell, your best recent flip below in the comments section. And while you're out there, happy treasure hunting, and we'll see you again tomorrow.